Hey everyone, I'm Emily and you found Emmylou Arts. If you like planning videos and art journaling and junk journaling and having a good old chat about being a mom and a wife, well, sometimes it's good and funny, sometimes it's just gross and realistic, but that's life. Then stick around and watch me decorate my weekly insert in my new B6 Traveler's Notebook. Thanks, guys! Okay, I've got my insert that I ordered a long time ago from the 1407 planners. I think that's their website too. If you stop the video and zoom in, you might be able to see it. It's upside down. But it's called the 1407 planners. Oh, and there's my son, Henry, sticking his head in the frame. We were hanging out while I was doing this. Then you could look it up and you could order inserts. I am happy with mine, and that's what I'm using in my new B6 sort of wide Traveler's Notebook from Carpe Diem Planners. And it is in Cream Blossom. You won't see the cover in this video, but in my last video I decorated and put together my Traveler's Notebook and set it up, and so you can check that out. Right now I'm decorating there he is again, the first week in my planner. As you can see on the right, it's got Monday through Sunday in sort of boxes that are long and horizontal but arranged vertically, which is very different than what I have been used to. And then the left side is a dot grid. And I decided that I just wanted to use the left side and be decorative and fill it with things that made me happy. So these scrapbook papers, I believe are from Webster's Pages, or one of the kits I got was from Webster's Pages. I can't remember. But I got them all at Hobby Lobby. And so I'm cut out that wood looking one, and then some really cute little blossoms, and then a little square heart. And I'm just gonna I wanted room on the left to like take notes or stick a random to-do list, but I just wanted it to be cute too. So that's what I'm doing. Sticking it down with this Elmer's Craft Bonds glue stick, and it is strong. Do not underestimate the power of this glue because it will burn you. It will burn you hard. So I'm just warning you. And then I'm using my washi to just decoratively pretend like it's stuck down with Sleeping Kitty washi because I love that washi tape, because I'm basically like a lazy cat. That's how I live my life, or I try to anyway. And then I pulled off a sticker that says notes from the scrapbooking set that I got that had the stickers and scrapbook paper in it. If you want to check out all that stuff that I got, it is in an earlier video called Finding New Inspiration Hobby Lobby Haul from about a week ago. And then I stuck in that little sticky note. That pack of sticky notes I think I got in the dollar section of Target maybe. And they're just little, it was like 4 or 5 little sticky note like tablets on a little piece of paper. And I just like those little yellow ones. So I'm using those. I used that to put in what I will take notes on if I have notes to take. And then I'm putting in the number stickers from that set of paper. And I should go look and actually tell you what that set of paper is. And then this week I'm doing a different sort of thing. I'm using my boxes from the Erin Condren planner, my old Erin Condren planner. And I'm just scheduling in or putting in the outline of my week. Yep, that set is from Webster's Pages, and it's called the My Happy Place sticker collection set. So, just so you know. Alright, and then I'm using the little flag stickers that are also from an Erin Condren, an old Erin Condren planner, and I'm just cutting them in half, and they actually work great as little page markers, or, what am I trying to say?
Get it together.
Markers for my appointments for the week. So I'm definitely going to have to order more when these are out. And if you're wondering why you can't see me on this one, because I filmed this today when we got home from the Renaissance Festival in Shakopee, Minnesota.
And it was hot as balls this weekend.
And my kids didn't understand why everyone was dressed up weird, and it was supposed to be really fun, but the heat sort of melted our enthusiasm. So next year, maybe next year will be our year. They did enjoy the knife throwing show, of which my son got to be a part of, which was pretty awesome. And so anyway, I'm sticking down those flags, and I'm actually cutting them in half because, you know, there's not very much space on these boxes. But that's actually what I was going for, because I was finding that I had too much space in my old planner, and I wasn't into it anymore. But the thing that's hard is I'm used to organizing my day in a vertical fashion, like timeline style. So I sort of transferred that idea into this planner, and I'm going from left to right. It's sort of like morning, afternoon, evening. So when I work on those orange stickers is in the afternoon. So I stuck it sort of in the middle of the box. And I find that it's really working for me because it still is visual of when I have stuff going on. Like that green sticker is all the way to the right, so that I know my son has karate and it's in the evening time. Like, I just need a general picture that helps me know if we've got something going in the morning or something in the evening. So morning things obviously go all the way to the left, and evening things like karate and dance are all the way to the right of the box. And I really like that so far. I wasn't sure, but I think it's working, you guys. I think the stars are aligning, and I really like it. So after I got in all the flags, if you're new here, I color code my family, and I'm like orange, kind of. My son is green, my daughter's pink, and my husband is blue. And if something involves both my kids, I used to use yellow, but then I realized that you can't see yellow, which is a problem. So it's like more of a teal. And I didn't really have a teal sticker, flag sticker from Erin Condren, so that dark blue one is what I used. So I'm just writing in the details of all the appointments and, random stuff that we have that's actually has a time going along with it this week. And I had to plug my phone in because I'm going to run out of battery because Apple can
Suck a big D, and I hate it, but
still have an Apple. Anyway, God, you see the tangents. The tangents are crazy. And I think at one point I was telling you that I was planning on doing the split screen so you could see me filming while I do stuff. But today all my kids were home and my husband was home, so it wasn't quiet in the background for me to actually film.
I'll glue it on since it's my stuff.
No, please don't glue it right on there. How about you glue it on a little piece so that I can take it out and put it back in I can tuck it in different spots.
Put it on a big piece of paper?
No, like a little square. How about?
Okay, yeah.
How about this ostrich square? Because this square reminds me of you because you're a silly billy goat ostrich. And then you can glue your thing to the back of that. And I'll be able to keep it with me. And then
I like that idea.
You can write me a little note on it too.
Yeah. Like I love you?
Exactly like that.
Yeah. I'm a smart boy.
You are a smart boy. Okay. Get to it. Get cracking. As you can see, Henry was still trying to contribute to the planner decoration process, which I really appreciate. The stickers that I'm sticking in now are from a Simple Stories sticker set that is called Bloom. And it's so cute, so cute. And the stickers are very small, so they're perfect for a regular traveler's notebook because traveler's notebooks are not big. There, I just showed you the little card that he made me. He drew a 3D cube and he wanted to glue it in my planner. And I said, let's do it on a card maybe, instead of permanently in the planner. But then I can keep the card and move it, as I told him in the video. I'm also pulling in other stickers from my my sticker collection, and these are grocery shopping stickers, and well, I think that's the only one. The other stickers that I used, if they weren't the Erin Condren flags, were from that Bloom set. That is very cute. And then I pulled from that Webster's Pages sticker set, I pulled a B-Day sticker and put it on the 18th because it is my best friend Jackie's birthday. And so I cannot forget to celebrate that crazy bitch. And then I put a little motivational sticker on Monday, because who doesn't need motivation on a Monday? And a coffee cup, because I'll probably go have coffee with my mom and dad in the morning, because that's part of my regular routine. I know, I'm a loser, but they're like my best friends. I love them. And then I am writing in on my little sticky notes things that I want to do this week. I'm thinking about relocating my filming area to the basement and getting actual lights and having a cute background so that when I do the split screen, it'll look super profesh and you'll want to stick around. Maybe. So I'm reminding myself of that. And then I need to email my teachers, my kids' teachers, about when they need me for volunteering things. So now I am putting the notebook, the insert, back in my traveler's notebook, which is easy peasy. You just thread it through find the middle and then thread it through the elastic band, and that's all there is to it. I am loving the way that this week turned out. It's totally different from my previous style in my Scribbles That Matter bullet journal, but I'm just loving it, and I'm planning on taking it with me and putting it in my purse and having it around to take notes or journal or do anything, which wasn't exactly the best with my Scribbles That Matter bullet journal. So, so far loving this. I made that paper clip in my last video where I set up my notebook, if you want to see that, using a little chipboard piece that came in that scrapbooking set, and the back was just plain, so I traced it and cut out a heart scrapbook paper and glued it on so that both sides of the heart paper clip would have a pattern on them. Pardon me, I am still getting over my cold, and I am hoarse sometimes and have a frog in my throat. Part of me doesn't want to miss this, doesn't want to lose this deep raspiness, though. I feel like it lends a certain quality. I decided to stick in my little llama card that has my son's drawing on the back and his note to me, and then I stuck a sticker on it that says "Dream Big." Thank you guys for sticking with me until the end of this video. I had fun setting up this week in my brand new B6 Traveler's Notebook from Carpe Diem, and I plan to play a lot more in this, so please hit subscribe and come back.